Oh, look at that. There's a cabin. Oh, how do I get down there? I've never been so glad to see shelter. It's just in the nick of time. Sun is gonna set here in less than an hour. Slow is fast, fast is slow. That one hurt a little bit. Oh, it's got an outhouse. Oh my goodness. How do you get inside? Oh, I'm so cold. Oh, I am so cold. So cold I had to use my teeth to undo the buckles on my backpack. I need to get dry immediately. This is a mountaineering cabin. It's a shelter from the storms for people exploring the mountains here in Alaska.